Huh? Oh, it sounds like a great time to learn how to place a boom pole. We all know you can get a crazy cool shot or a crazy cool transition visually, but what about the audio? Audio is just as, if not more important than video itself. And the first step in getting great audio is the placement of your microphone. In this case, I'm gonna show you how to place the boom pole. For best audio, you wanna place the boom pole right above the top of the frame, which is also known as your boom line. The boom pole is pointed and aimed at my chest area. So this is an example of a mic that is not placed well because people will notice how the audio sounds tinny, you're not capturing the fullness of the person's voice. So this is what it sounds like when you place the mic directly above your subject's head. So this is what it sounds like when the mic is placed far away from your subject. Doesn't it just sound terrible? Now you know how to place your mic and capture great audio. I hope this was a good tip for you, and comment down below what you would like to learn about next.